What would you do if your religion was constantly attacked, misunderstood, and misrepresented? Would you stay silent, or would you stand up and defend it with knowledge? This is the story of a man who stood alone, not with weapons, but with words. A man who defended Islam on global stages and inspired millions of Muslims to learn their faith. This is the story of Ahmed Deedat. Before we begin, if you believe Muslim history should inspire confidence, knowledge, and strength, subscribe to this channel for more world Muslim impact makers. Ahmed Deedat was born in 1918 in Surat, India. At a young age, he migrated with his father to South Africa in search of a better life. But life was not easy. He had to leave school early due to financial hardship. He worked small jobs, as a clerk, a salesman, even in furniture stores. Yet, despite limited formal education, Ahmed Deedat never stopped learning. He developed a deep love for reading, and one day, his life changed forever. While working near a Christian missionary center, Ahmed Deedat began hearing attacks on Islam. Muslims were told their prophet was false, their Quran was man-made. Young Muslims were confused. Some even began leaving Islam. Instead of reacting emotionally, Deedat chose to respond intellectually. He began studying the Quran, the Bible, comparative religion. This marked his beginning of his lifelong mission to defend Islam through knowledge. Ahmed Deedat became one of the most powerful Muslim voices in interfaith dialogue. He debated famous Christian evangelists across the world, including Jimmy Swaggart and Anis Shaarosh. His debates took place in the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, and many other countries. Through calm confidence and deep knowledge, he presented Islam clearly and respectfully. Millions watched, millions listened. Ahmed Deedat did more than debate. He empowered Muslims. He taught them how to understand their religion, how to answer questions about Islam, how to build confidence in their faith. He founded the Islamic Propagation Center International, which distributed Islamic books and lectures worldwide. For many Muslims living in minority countries, his work became a shield of knowledge. Now, tell us in the comments, have you ever faced questions about Islam and didn't know how to respond? And do you think learning about other religions helps strengthen Muslim faith? Your thoughts matter. Share them below. In 1996, Ahmed Deedat suffered a severe stroke. He became paralyzed and lost the ability to speak. For a man who spent his life speaking, this was heartbreaking. Yet, even in silence, his legacy continued. Students around the world carried his mission forward. One of them was Zakir Naik, who was inspired by Ahmed Deedat's work. Ahmed Deedat passed away in 2005, but his message did not die. He proved that Islam can be defended with knowledge. Dialogue is more powerful than anger. Education builds confidence in faith. He showed Muslims that learning is an act of worship. Ahmed Deedat was not a politician. He was not a soldier. He was a believer with knowledge. His life teaches us one powerful lesson. If you want to defend Islam, you must first understand it. Subscribe for more world Muslim impact makers stories that inspire knowledge and faith. And continue learning, because knowledge is strength.